What is up, adventurists? We're going out again today, obviously taking the boat out because that's all I do. Had a little issue. Trolling motor was saying that some connections were going bad, so went to clean them last night and broke one of the connectors. So gonna get that repaired this morning, gonna get out on the water, and we're gonna go chase some more big bluegill. Stay tuned because it's gonna be another good one. That entire first segment, I fished it, didn't even realize that the microphone wasn't plugged into the camera. So that is going to probably not come through very well. But what are you going to do? There we go, crappie. Oh yeah. Good eater crappie. Look at that. Interrupted by a phone call, but we got a nice little eater crap. From fishing this lake a lot last summer, I learned how to work a bobber. And that's just got a little crappie plastic with a little moon eye jig on it. And this is what I caught those two bluegill and that crappie on. A lot of my pan fishing is stuff I use ice fishing. So 16, 32 ounce jigs and just those tiny little plastics. Gets them, does them dirty. Oh, there we go, crappie. Nice one too, on the slip bobber. On the ice rod and slip bobber. I looked away, the bobber was gone, and I saw something munching on it. And it was this little hooligan. Look at that. Not bad, probably 10. Oh, 11 and a half. It's gonna taste delicious. There we go. Feels like a nice one. Oh yeah, nice crappie. Nice crappie. There we go. Been a little while, but we got one. We hit it pretty good. Hit it pretty good. Probably another 11 and a half. Yep. In the live well. Perfect release. There's another one. Another crappie. I think we may have found a school of them. A little bit smaller than the last, maybe 10 and a half, but hey, we take that. Four crappie, 2 bluegill now. I'm not complaining. There we go. This guy ate it on the fall. Thought I was snagged on some weeds. What do we got? Ooh, look at that. That's about a 12er. It's a nice, healthy crappie. A little bit bigger than the others. Put them on the board. Another 11 and a half. But a good looking one. Buddy, I'm trying to get you to your friends, pal. Ooh, get it in the right lighting. It's got a little blue on its scales. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a wrap. A few hours today. Caught some decent crappie, a couple bluegill to boot. Can't complain. Thanks for joining me on another one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Give me advice, give me tips. I'm open to anything. Can always use more tackle. Again, thanks for tagging along, and I'll see you on the next one.